Alrighty, so I just got out of Goodwill and I'm primarily treating myself today. I was just feeling a little down this morning and wanted to do some retail therapy. I got a couple things for myself and the house, and I got one, maybe two things, not sure if I'm gonna keep the other thing, for Poshmark. So first is this LuLaRoe duster. I've been wanting just a duster to throw over stuff, so got that. Very soft. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. If I find a better one for myself, I'll probably sell this one because they do really well on Poshmark. It's a size extra small if anyone is interested. Next is this little cement planter. I just thought this was so cute, and it was $3. It's heavy, but I'm gonna put like a little fake succulent in it or something, you know, because I kill everything. So fake plant for sure. Ugh. This other thing is it could either be a candle holder or a plant holder. I'll probably make it a candle holder, but I just thought it was so pretty. It's this like crystal. It is like one of those salt lamps, but it's like a candle holder. So I'll just get like a candle from Dollar Tree and pop it in there. And it was also $3. This thing is heavy. I could definitely hurt an intruder with this. Next piece is this bag, this straw bag that I got. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it for myself or sell it. I'll probably sell it. Just because this is like a very in style right now for bags. It's got this little loop closure. Can't do it right now. It's very hard to do with one hand. But it just like loops over this little button. You get the point. And then also for Poshmark, I got these little gingham shorts. They are by Theory, and they're a size 4. So if you're interested, these will be up on my Poshmark. If they're not listed by the time this video goes up, let me know and leave your closet name, and I will get that up for you. All right, let's go to the next Goodwill and see what we can find. I'm a sucker for country music, y'all, if you haven't figured that out already. So we are now at Super Thrift, and I am not looking for clothing here.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
I'm just gonna look for home stuff. Maybe a kimono for myself. I lied. But that's it. They are having a huge sale where the entire store is 50% off, and the parking lot is jam-packed, and I am parked in BFE. If you don't know what that is, Google it. But anyways, let's see what we can find. $50% off. It isn't mad awesome here. Holy mother. Look at this beauty. I have no use for this, but it's still really cute. These glasses are beautiful, but I don't know that I want to pay $6 for 4 of them. Decisions. These are so fire, but the zipper is freaking broken, and it's missing a button. Cool though. Alrighty, so that was an ordeal. I had to walk around there for like an hour just to wait like for the line to calm down a little bit. But I did find a couple cute things. I got this little basket. I'm always in the market for some wicker baskets, so thought this one was cute and it was half off, so it was $1.50. I'll probably put like a plant in it or something like that. Faux, obviously. Then I got just this plain white button up. It's by Old Navy. This is for me. It was $2. I'm gonna do a 5 ways to style a plain white button down. So, and I just needed one anyways. It's very like lightweight, good for Florida. And then I got this for an upcoming video as well, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Sneaky, but it is this vintage nightgown, kind of like a muumuu, I guess, but I just thought it was so pretty. I love the like peasant floral print on the front, and it's just got, you know, these sleeves. It's very like thin and good material. It feels like linen, but somehow I doubt that it is. It is acetate, which, you know, that's a huge indicator that it's vintage. But yeah, I just thought that was really pretty. It's a maxi midi dress, so that will be in a future video, so stay tuned for that. It's a secret. Yeah, so I'm gonna go. It's raining now and I've spent a lot of time out, so I am going to go to Dollar Tree real quick and get a candle and a succulent for that planter and that little crystal candle holder, and that'll be it. So let's go to Dollar Tree.
So much nicer. They were really expensive.
They usually have a ton of succulents, but I'm not seeing any.
Oh, that's why you
They have these. There's only one of them, and I'm not a huge fan of that. And definitely not a fan of this. Maybe if I cut, this could work. If I cut this little alien looking antenna thing off, that could work. Let's see. These cute little bamboos. And this lavender. I'm just not like a huge color person. That's crazy. They usually have so many succulents. And now, of course, when I need them, they don't have them. So, that's exciting. Alright, so I was a little disappointed with their flower section. They didn't have a lot of like greenery, and the ones that they did have were very like sparse looking. So, I'll do that another day. Not a big deal. I may end up just getting real plants and seeing how it goes. So, also, side note, I was just reminded why I do not miss working in like a retail store, because this lady walked into Dollar Tree and she said, "Excuse me, is everything in here $1, or are there some things that are more than $1?" And I'm thinking to myself, literally everywhere, plastered all over their windows, it says clearly everything is $1. So, you know, there's that fun fact of humanity for you today. But anyways, I'm gonna head home. So this is what my little planter ended up looking like. I think it's really cute. Looks good with these little geometric candle holders that I got from Dollar Tree, and I stuck the tea lights in there. I gotta change them because I used them the other night. Then this is what the little candle holder looks like, and it looks really cool at night with it because it like glows like the salt lamp lights. So I actually ended up having to melt down this candle and like pour it into here because it didn't fit, but you know, a little DIY for you. And I also wanted to show you guys that basket that I got. I ended up putting my like daily makeup in it instead of a plant because I just had a little white bucket up here and I wasn't loving the way that it looked, so I just put that up there. Still haven't painted in here. Go me. If you like this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please subscribe. It's that little red button. It's free. I make new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I will see you guys later. Bye.